Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your TikTok cover and thumbnail after posting. So without any further ado, let's start the video. And before starting the video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can change your TikTok cover thumbnail after posting. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So let's say I uploaded this video and I don't like its cover, or in other words thumbnail of this video. So I can't change it because like TikTok is very strict about what thing you can change once you upload the video. Like once you upload the video, it's the final product. You can't do anything. Like let me show you. I click on this video and there is no edit button over here. Like even if I click on this three dot over here, there's gonna be no edit button over here. As you guys can see, let me scroll over here. You don't see any edit button. I scroll over here, you don't see any edit button over here. I scroll over here, you don't see any edit button over here. So there is no edit button. But if I want to change the TikTok cover and thumbnail after posting, there is one way from which like I can do this. So I can click on this three dot and I can download this video. So basically what I'm trying to say or do right now is like I'm going to download this video and then re-upload it, and when I re-upload it, I'm going to change its thumbnail to the one which I like, and after the video is uploaded, I'm going to delete the old one. So that's the only way you guys can do it, because there is no way like you can upload a TikTok video after it's uploaded. If like some app or some website says they can, they're just probably trying to steal your TikTok ID. Just don't do it. This is the only legit way. Now you can click on this plus mark over here, and once you click on this plus mark, click on upload. Once you click on upload, choose the video which you just downloaded. So this is the video I just downloaded. I can click on it and click on next. Now once I'm over here, I can click on next. I can click on next again since I want to change its thumbnail. So to change its thumbnail or cover, here it says select cover. I can click on select cover. Now it's going to give me the option to select my cover. Now I can choose whichever cover I want over here, this one or this one or this one, and I can even like add a standard one where I can enter a text over here and like do whatever thing. Cover is like a thumbnail of a video. In YouTube we say thumbnail, right? But in TikTok we say it cover. Just go back. So let's say I like this one, and I can click on save after choosing the cover, and I can click on post and wait for it until it posts. So as you guys can see, the video has been uploaded. Now what I can do is go back. Oh sorry, by back I mean go to me over here on TikTok. Once you're over here, this is my video. So this is my old video. So I've changed my cover by re-uploading it. Now I'm going to delete the older one. I'm going to click on the older one, click on this three dot. Once I click on this three dot, this screen opens up, and I can scroll to the right until I see delete. Click on delete, confirm delete, and the video has been deleted, and the new video with the new cover has been posted. So that's basically how you do it. So if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.